Hi everyone, this is Amardeep from Workeefy, your trusted on-demand partner for home services. You can book a handyman, plumber, electrician, or even seasonal services by visiting workeefy.com or simply download our mobile app. Today we are going to talk about one of our most popular service, car detailing, which is done right at your driveway. Your car is not just a mode of transportation. It represents your personality and class. So why not let Workeefy professionals restore your vehicle in mint condition it deserves to be in?
Hey guys, I'm Kevin,
And I'm John.
and here are 5 tips on how you can keep your car looking mint year-round.
Alright, tip number 1. Always walk with an air freshener in your car. When your car smells clean, it feels clean.
Tip number 2, make sure you have the correct floor mats. Correct floor mats keep your carpets safe from dirt and debris.
Tip number 3. Always make sure you have clean shoes whenever entering your car to avoid bringing in dirt.
Tip number 4, get your car waxed at least once a year. This will help prevent any dirt from sticking to the paint.
And tip number 5. Try and avoid bringing food into your car to avoid spilling and causing stains inside.
And these are 5 tips on how you can keep your car looking mint.
Get the app right now on your phone and order your first service today.